Discover the ultimate convenience of hands-free docking with our innovative automatic fenders. Say goodbye to the cumbersome task of climbing onto the bow to manually set your fenders. With the revolutionary Automatic Fender System, a simple button press from the comfort of your cockpit is all it takes to activate the fenders, allowing you to focus entirely on docking your boat smoothly and safely. Installation is a snap, requiring just 15 minutes of your time. There's no need for complex wiring or permanent alterations to your boat. Simply hang the automatic fender on the railing, and you're set for a hassle-free docking experience. Plus, the system is designed to be universally compatible with a wide range of boat types, ensuring that everyone can enjoy the ease and safety of automatic fender deployment. Embrace the ease of modern boating with our automatic fenders and turn your docking process into a stress-free, enjoyable part of your boating adventure. It's smart boating made simple.